Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you a few camera tricks on the Huawei Nova 13. Okay, so let's begin. Let's turn on the camera and first let's go into settings. As you can see, you can change the aspect ratio between these three positions. You can enable the auto control. For example, when you will say cheese, it will automatically take a photo, or when you will speak loudly, it will also take a photo. Another thing is the capture smiles. If you enable it, it will simply take a photo when someone is smiling. Next thing is the video resolution. Simply you can pick here the resolution that you want. Also the frame rate, you can pick between 30 and the 60. Another cool thing is the horizontal level. It looks like that. And as you can see, when you hold your phone steady, this mark is really white. If I turn the phone a little bit to the right or to the left, it gets more gray. So it will show this line in the middle of the circle. That means that you're holding the phone still. Okay, we can get it back. Next thing is the timer. You can pick between seconds. Also, you can add the watermark to your photo if you want. Place the location tag or mute. Okay, another thing is the ultra snapshot. I'll show you how this works. When you simply double tap the volume down button, it will take a snapshot. Just like that. Okay, let's get back. Settings. Oh, sorry, no settings. Camera. Okay. Another cool thing is the moving picture. I'll show you how this works. I will simply wave my hand in front of the camera and take a photo. Okay. Now let's see how this works. As you can see, I took one photo and you can see that I'm waving. And that's basically this mode. Okay, next we have the filters. We can pick between all of those filters and pick the one that's the most good for us. Okay, and the last thing is possibility to take the multiple shots, multiple photos. I will simply hold the volume down button and you will see what will happen. Okay, as you can see, I took around 65 photos by only holding the volume down button. Okay, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and comment.